It's time to put our 5-week-old chicks outside, and we decided we needed to order a small chicken pen to place them in during the day. We ordered this chicken pen on Amazon for around $200. Now, building a chicken pen would probably been better, but we didn't have time, so we also wanted to see the quality of a chicken pen ordered online. If you're considering getting a chicken pen in this price range, this would probably only be a short-term solution. This particular chicken pen would probably work better under a shelter or a covered area. Now, we're only going to be using this pen until the chicks are old enough to go in with the older chickens. Putting 5-week-old chicks in with the older hens usually doesn't work well. The older chickens will try to peck at the babies and may wind up killing them. This is especially true if you have a rooster. Another good use for a small chicken pen like this one might be if you have a hurt or a sick chicken that needs to be isolated from the flock. We decided to mount our chicken pen to 4x4s in order to stabilize and also to secure the pen from blowing over. This chicken pen has several doors for accessing the interior for easy maintenance and cleaning. The chicken pen was advertised as being large, but I would not recommend using this pen for more than 2 adult chickens. Chicks can go outside during the day after they are fully feathered at about 5 weeks old, and when conditions are above 70. Isolation back to the brooder at night is a good idea, especially if the temperatures drop below 60. Now, this particular coop has a roosting area where you can isolate the chicks at night and close them up. This year, when hatching our chicks, we did have one chick born with a deformed leg. This chick can hop around on one leg. It also eats and drinks, but does not seem to be growing correctly. Most farmers would cull the chick, but we have chosen not to. Our chicks seem to love their new area, and they can see the older chickens that they will soon be a part of.
Now, this chicken pen may not be suitable for everybody in every location, but if you think this chicken pen is suitable for you, we'll leave a link below in the description if you want to purchase it.
Hatching these chickens was an amazing experience for us. Here is a link to the video of our complete experience of incubating chicken eggs from start to finish. Thank you for watching.